Hey guys, a Bruno Car Guy of 5 here, and today's video is in taking a walk around and look on this 2004 Volkswagen Passat GLS. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Passat. We'll start the engine, show the performance data, shows the inside, shows the outside. Big request to make me some Volkswagen. Make me some Volkswagens to show. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start up Reddit Run. With the blue silver exterior, with a gray cloth interior. So, head and start this thing up. 95,962 miles. Perfect. Yep, it looks like door chime. Headlights, fog lights, and the hazards. Both the windows are automatic. Now let's check the exterior, shall we? It's called a Passat. Cloth seats everywhere. And have a door had to close and open. But yep. Manual transmission with drive. Open up the hood. Power 4-liter 4-engine 18-point T cylinder. Made me some videos, have many requests, some Volkswagens. Gas fuel clip, windows, storage. Right here, mirror. See how this sounds. Perfect sounding car. Dual exhaust. Here are typical AM/FM radio with CD player, and also known as the AM/FM radio CD player, and also your typical AM/FM radio with typical your owner standard AM/FM radio with CD player and your owner on the AM/FM radio CD player has been many Volkswagens in 2004.
Starting at $12 per tire, oil changes starting
Yeah.
in 1988, and free battery installations with purchase. So visit your local Walmart Auto Care Center today or go to www.walmart.com/ACC to learn more. If you've got a personal auto insurance.
Yep, it looks like. Then we have an AM/FM radio with CD player and also known as cassette, and owner of the AM/FM CD player. This not exists anymore until 2000 and 2005, but yep. There's only two though. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's... Yeah. It looks like... Yeah. Garage Home Link? Yeah. Yeah. There. Yeah. Yeah. Check the back seat. He's a mess. Yeah. There. Cup holders. Broken ashtray. Now let's check the trunk. To the trunk. Wow. It's like it's the trunk. Wow. Yeah. Just check the back seat. Yep. There we go. There we go. Wow. Courier back seat. And looks like, yeah, my mom. Looks like standard hitch, power outlet, and like, yeah, yeah. This Volkswagen has, this one here is, and here we have this. Yeah. Yeah, shut this thing off. Well, guys, walk around, look. Walk around, start up and walk around, look. On this 2004 Volkswagen Passat GLS sedan. Yeah. GLS sedan. And see you next time. A lot more came from. Take care, guys.